This could be the view in the morning or afternoon from your bedroom, overlooking our beautiful wraparound terrace. Enjoying in the afternoon a glass of wine, or in the morning your favorite breakfast juice. You have a breathtaking view of Playa Ixtapa and the hotel zone to the south. As the wraparound terrace allows you a breathtaking view from our terrace, you can see the adjoining condominiums along with Bayview Grand. In the morning, you can partake of breakfast out on the terrace or enjoy an afternoon snack or evening dinner. It's all yours by staying with us.